In the glow of festive lights, I think of home, where everything feels just right. Laughter, sweets and diyas so bright. Even from afar, I hold them tight. Though I'm miles away today, love finds me in every sparkle and ray. For though the miles may stretch so far, love shines through like my guiding star. Family isn't just where I go. It lives in my heart, in every glow. Memories of joy we cherish and share. Together in spirit, we show we care. So here's to making this USA Wali Diwali bright. With Zolve by my side, everything feels right. Celebrate Diwali with Zolve. Earn 5x cashback on groceries and dining.